a demonstration of inertia. And remember, inertia is an object's resistance to a change in its state of motion. In other words, objects want to keep doing what they're doing unless they're acted upon by an outside, unbalanced force. Objects keep doing what they're doing. So inertia is an object's resistance to a change in its state of motion. So we're going to put this card, it's a magic trick. Here we have a cup of water. So inertia itself is really an object's resistance to a change in its state of motion. So if an object has more inertia, it has more resistance to a change in its state of motion. So if you have a lighter car, would be easier to actually stop than a massive 18-wheeler type truck because it has less inertia. There's less resistance to get it to stop. So now we're going to look at a magic trick relating to inertia. Here's a playing card that Brutus chewed. So if you have if you ever like to play cards with a parrot, the game you play is called 52 Chew Up, not 52 Pick Up. Okay, so here's a card. We're going to place the card on the glass of half-filled water, just like that. Here I have a penny. I'm going to place the penny on top of the card. Right now, the penny is not moving. It is at rest. There's no force acting on it to cause it to move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the penny to drop into the water without touching it. And when I do that, I'm going to move the card out from underneath it, which is going to cause the force of gravity to act on the penny, and it will drop into the water. So let's see if we can do it. See that? So that is a magic trick showing inertia. Objects at rest are going to stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. Objects in motion are going to stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. And that is Newton's first law of motion.